Hey everybody, Benji back down in the shop. I'm gonna give you another update on this L8T Crank and the LC9 block build we're working on here for the Mustang. So short block is together like in the last video. Got it buttoned up, covers, oil pan, all that stuff cinched up and on. We're ready to move on to the top end. So we are doing, just gonna give you guys an overview. A bunch of people were wondering, what we're using. All that jazz. So I am using Johnson 2116 SLR short travel lifters, using ARP CA625 head studs, and some small bore MAST cathedral port cylinder heads. So I'm going to give you guys a quick look at that stuff real quick. Let me turn you around. All right, guys, so here is our Johnson short travel lifters. And right there is the part number on what I am using. I got these, I believe it was from Brian Tooley Racing. Using these CA625 head studs. These are the ones I can't remember. They torqued either 100 or 105 foot-pounds. They come in these cool little wrappers. From everything I've read, it's because the salt in your skin, the moisture, can actually make these things brittle, even though how strong they are. You're not supposed to touch them without gloves on. So keep that in mind. Maybe a wives' tale, I don't know. I just always go by it actually does not say that in the instructions, but everything I read online, so better be safe than sorry. This is our part number on these, and this is for a Gen 4 block. It's going to come with everything for the small fasteners or the standard ARP 2000 series, and then everything else is the CA625. And on from that, we have these MAST small bore cathedral port CNC cylinder heads. So give you guys a little view of these. These are 204, 157 valves. They have a 62cc chamber. They are 750 thousandths thick on the deck. They are, I do believe, a 257cc intake runner. They flow 330 on the intake and 240 on the exhaust. They are a 6-bolt design. Pretty sweet looking cylinder head. I got these from HED in North Carolina. Set up with springs for my camshaft and titanium retainers. These do use a different valve angle, but you can still use stock rocker arms. They do come with billet rails. Alright guys, so that cylinder head, as I was just showing you, like I say, it uses a it's a cathedral port, but they're 11-degree valve angle. And they do use a different, uses your, basically like a LS3 rocker. So you have to use an offset on the intake, standard on the exhaust. Comes with a billet rail. And I'm just using the standard GM ones with a trunnion upgrade. And I'll walk you over here real quick. Started putting one side together. So, oh yeah, I'm also using, turn you back around. I'm just using BTR version LS9 head gaskets. I've already started this side, so the lifter's lubed up and installed there. So anyway, just a quick update. Awful cold here, a couple days before New Year's. Gonna try to get this thing heads on it where we can measure for push rods. And then we should be able to go to get some stuff, the rest of the stuff coming. Still waiting on an intake manifold. Other than that, I think I've got everything here. Oh, except valve covers. Stock valve covers actually do clear, but of course we don't want to put those on there. BTRs are on back order. And I want to do something with a dash 16 where I can do a good burn down tank in the rear of the car. But anyway, that's just a quick update on what parts I'm using. I'll do another quick update once I get, you know, the heads and whatnot on it. And then the car, like I say, it's December 29th. Car is supposed to go to the chassis shop in 2 weeks to get the new 25.5 cage. They're supposed to have it about a week, 10 days if everything goes well. So, like I say, December 29th, 2023 right now. Shooting for February, first week of February to have this engine in the car and up and running. So, not sure how much I'll update on the engine build between now and then, because once the heads are on it, you know, it's kind of a done deal till we can fire her up. You know, put a base tune in it, and then you know, get it to the dyno to do some low boost pulls to get her dialed in until race season starts. So I'll probably keep you guys updated with a few more things on the car itself. Hopefully you like that kind of content, so just let me know, and comment, like, subscribe. Happy New Year to you. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Thanks again.